Hello, Ma'am and Sir. Have a nice day. My name is Maria Magdalena Tindoy from Philippine City of Olongapo. I'm 36 years old. I have 4 children, 2 girls and 2 boys, ages 17, 15, 11, and 8 years old. My educational background is a high school graduate. My work experience on Saudi Arabia for 6 years in one employer since 2018 until 2025. I serve 8 members on the family, including 2 children since born 6 months and 2 years old and up. My main duty and responsibility is take the caring of 2 children, preparing the bottles, cleaning the bottles and sterilize, feeding, bathing, changing diaper, giving her vitamins every day, preparing the healthy food like potato and carrots, and cook and blend it and giving her for the 6 months old baby. For the 2 years old, also I took my eyes for safety of the baby, play them with my vacant time, teach them how to familiarize the color, the shapes, and the number. Also, I sing them the rhymes of ABC and help them how to recognize the letter of alphabet. Also, I teach them the sounds of animals. Mom and Sir also do the household work like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, wash the dishes, ironing, cooking, sometimes car washing. Mom and Sir, I'm a honest person, trustworthy, kind, and patient of the children. Mom and Sir, please help me. Thank you and God bless always.